to Diva Styles. Okay, so you guys, in this video, I'm actually like taking a break from cleaning. I've been trying to get my craft area together so that I could bring you guys some videos on the regular. But during my break, y'all, I done got started loom knitting. That's what I'm currently doing right now. I'm trying to do something that I've never done. I've been trying to look up like videos on how to do it, and honestly there's nothing really out there. So I'm trying to figure out how I can create like a head, like a turban covering, but a la crochet, something of that sort. So like the turban coverings I got are just like long scarves, you know, that you like wrap up and have the little knot right here in this turban. So I'm going to try to create like a long scarf, but I'm using like the figure 8 stitch. That way it's not so like thick and bulky on your head. I'm going to try to create that and see how that looks. I'm interested in seeing how that looks. My next way of trying to do it is just taking like I've seen someone take like a slouchy beanie, oversized beanie that they had, and they tied the back like to the front. So I'm also going to try that. Interested to see how that turns out. So I'm going to show you guys those two ways. But if you have any information at all on how to create this, please let me know in the comments. Like I'm trying to get some little cute turbans for the summertime. I'm trying to get like all the colors. Yeah, so I'm going to keep going probably for about the next 2 hours, 2 to 3 hours, and then I'll come back and show you guys what it's looking like. Hopefully we got a turban. Okay? Alright, y'all, so I'm back. It's been about almost 2 hours. This is what I got. This is what it's looking like. And I'm going to go ahead and stop it right here because I'm going to be honest, I do not know how to decrease rows when loom knitting. So I'm just going to go ahead, stop it there. Then I'm going to go ahead and crochet the ends because I want them to kind of come to, you know, I want them to get smaller. I don't want them to stay the same. That way I can do the little tie either in the front, tie in the back, or even maybe a ponytail wrap. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what this look like. We'll see how this goes. Hopefully, crossing my fingers that it turns out something decent. So I'll be back and let's see. Alright, y'all. So this has been a process. So y'all, listen, I have not crafted in so long. Okay, let me just start off saying that. Let me start off saying that it's been a while. I'm very rusty, so I'm sitting up here doing my little crochet, very pretty, and I realized, you know what? I done forgot how to decrease the rows in crochet. So I had to put this thing back on the loom, and then I finally remembered how to decrease rows, but it was too late because this side already got a freaking crochet. So now I feel like I just gotta scratch the whole thing. I've got to start over. Like I've just got to start over. But you know what? I do feel like it had potential. I mean, it had potential to be something great. It could have been great, you know. It could have been, right? Like it could have been so many things. So can I even fasten this? Like, how would I even do this? Like, I'm just irritated with this whole thing at this point. I'm not even gonna lie, I'm just irritated at this point. Like, let me see if I put all my hair. Okay, let's try to get a style going. Let's see if I can save this because I'm irritated. Okay. And of course it is falling to the side I don't like. So Okay, of course the crochet will be on this side. Of course, of course, of course. Okay, so y'all, this is weird. I'm gonna have to do this upstairs in my mirror because looking in the camera is backwards. Okay, y'all, so this is what it's looking like. Like, you can see it had the potential. Like, you can see the potential there, right? And then, of course, I can still, you know, wear, like, my hair to the front and pin it, and, you know, it be cute. Or even with the little crochet side showing, because I do like crochet side on this side. Because, I mean, it's nice. Look, it was a fail. But, you know what? I feel like I am getting closer. I feel like I am getting closer to a turban. Like, I do this one more time, I'm gonna have it. I'm gonna have it. I'm gonna have it, okay? It's gonna be there. Okay. I mean, is it wearable? That's a personal choice. If you guys could point me in the right direction, please feel free. You know what? I'm gonna try it. You know what? Forget it. I done failed at this point. Hey, might as well try something completely different, right? Like, let's keep this train going. I'm gonna try for a mother frickin' I'm gonna try for a whole cover my whole head wrap. Okay, I'm gonna do it, and I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna keep going with the frickin' figure 8 stitch. I'm gonna do it on the big pegs though. One string. That way this goes super quick, super fast, in a hurry, because it's 9 o'clock at night. Okay. And I gotta work. I thought I would be off at something, but I gotta work. Y'all see, I done hurt my finger. I'm about, like, y'all, I'm rusty. I'm rusty. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. What I did this time is I just made a long, whatever you want to call this, scarf type thing. And I did, what, 24 pegs? No, I have not stretched it. It looked like some of them is sticking out. I haven't stretched it, haven't pulled it, haven't did any of that, y'all. It's going on 11:30. Alright. Now I'm being goofy. I get goofy. Okay. Alright. Let me take this off. Let's see what this looking like. See what we got going on. I don't even know which way I want to put this. Okay. Hey, y'all. Because I got so tired, I did start decreasing the rows. Okay, I did. Alright, let's see what we got going on. Okay, I can get a tie. Oh, buddy. That's it. That's all I wanted. And it's covering. Oh my gosh, y'all. Alright. Getting too excited, too fast. Where's that? I cannot look in the camera and try to do this because it just doesn't work. Okay. So let's see Let's see what it's looking like if I wanted to do it like just all back. Let's see what that looks like. Alright. Now see, I ain't got no ponytail. But if I had a ponytail, I feel like this would be really cute. Because you can tie it like a couple times. You can knot it. I really feel like this would be cute. But like I said, I ain't got no ponytail. I have no ponytail. I got no ponytail. No ponytail. But, y'all, we're getting somewhere. We getting somewhere. We is very hot up in here. Do you hear me? We are hot. We are hot. Okay? We are hot. Hold on, wait. No. Let's do the long one. Okay. So let's see something. Do I know what I'm doing right now? No. Okay? No. Right now, I think I'm just... Ooh, no, I don't like that. Ooh, no. No. Okay, no. You know what? That ain't bad. Shoot. You know what? You gotta play around with it. I feel like I could probably get this to look like a flower. Let's see what it look like if I was to tuck it. Well, I'm trying to do this with looking in my goddamn computer, and it just ain't working. It ain't working. Let's see if I can get it to wrap around my ponytail. You know what? I think if I would have made it a little bit longer, I think this would have been like, this would have been gold. This would have been like, we would have been cooking with some grease. You feel me? Alright, let's see. Can I tie this around the ponytail? Oh, I can tie it around the ponytail. And then I can even tuck it. Oh! That ain't bad, y'all. That is not freaking bad. That's not bad. That's not bad. I don't know what the back look like. Maybe I should make it longer because I can't see. I can't see anything. You know what? I feel like, listen, this is just a start, okay? This is just a start. You guys, like I said, if you have any comments at all for how I can better do this, shoot, please feel free to let me know. You know what? I like it like this. Like, it's doable. It is. It's doable. Like, I can't even... Now, let's see if we just continue wrapping it around to get, like, a turban. What would that then look like? Gosh, y'all. Now, where my other... I need both strings. Where's both of them? Okay. Alright. Let's do the big one first. Alright, let's wrap you. Which way I want to wrap you around? This way? A little tuck. And then let's wrap you the opposite. So which way would that be? This way? Not bad. What is that? Can't find it. What is that little piece of string? Oh my god, that's where in the fabric, y'all, it was like the yarn was connected. You know how the yarn be doing. Alright, so that's actually like a turban. That is actually a turban. So this is somewhat of a success. You know what? I'm going to take it. It's a win. It's a win for me. It's a win. Okay? It's a win. But would I want to do this a little better? Yes. Yes. But for now, it's a win. Shoot, it's almost 7 o'clock at night. I'm going to bed. Y'all, I'm going to be honest. I feel like I have not did crafts in so long. Like almost a year. You know, on and off, because I've been working. I feel like I'm a newborn baby. I feel like I'm a newborn baby, and I got to take baby steps with this. I got to learn all over again how to do simple stuff, how to do stuff I know how to do. Like, anyways, yeah, I hope y'all just be with me on this journey, because I'm going far, y'all. I'm going far. Alright, guys, I will see you soon, and please feel free to let me know in the comments. If you got an easier way I can do this, please feel free to let me know, and I will see you guys soon. Bye! Okay, y'all, real quick, had to come back on here because y'all know I went upstairs in my mirror and started, like, really playing with this. You guys, it's so many styles. I mean, like, look at this. I got it all pent up. Like, you can't even see my hair right now. Like, I can wear this as a scarf, cover my whole head. And like what I did, you see that? All I did was tucked it up in there. Y'all ain't gonna be able to tell me nothing.